At Topcon, we believe excellence begins with a knowledgeable team and a commitment to continuous learning. We pride ourselves on offering the largest selection of precision instruments and software platforms from a single manufacturer to support your high standards of care. Encouraging growth through continuous education and training is crucial for supporting staff development and long-term retention. Empower your staff and enhance your practice with Topcon Healthcare University, THU, a comprehensive free e-learning platform with over 250 courses designed for clinicians and their support staff. These courses are crafted to deepen your product and technical knowledge, catering to a wide variety of learners across the globe in multiple languages. Whether you're aiming to master a product, review clinical webinars, enhance your OCT interpretation skills, or engage in interactive clinical learning, Topcon has a course tailored just for you. Our mission is to empower healthcare providers with smart, efficient technologies that grow staff confidence and enhance patient care. Join the over 12,000 learners worldwide to discover how THU can support your clinic's development and streamline your workflow. Register now to enhance your knowledge and maximize your investment with Topcon Healthcare University.